YouTube, it's your good friend Nathan back again. I'm here and I'm going to be changing the head of a shower head. So basically it's fairly simple. What you're going to need is a plumber's wrench and some Teflon tape. But there's only one problem. I don't have any Teflon tape. So we're going to see if we can make do without it. It is optional, but it's highly recommended. Okay, so I need to run out and get Teflon tape because the shower head leaks. So I'll be right back. And that's about it. That's about how you change a shower head. I hope you all found that video very useful and helpful, and I hope you all have a wonderful day wherever you are. And please, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, and also leave a like if you liked it, and leave a comment. I try to reply to every comment.